While testing the S3 Uplifter Chair, we discovered the benefits it could provide to the disabled community, specifically amputees and war veterans. We counted on Bird Jones, who lost his leg in active combat, to test it out for us and tell us what he thought.
On the spin? I hit 180, not 360. Yeah, 180. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Hold on. I like this. Yeah, I like that.
After testing the S3 Uplifter Chair, we asked Bird how it would be able to help and impact the people who struggle with mobility.
It's not just for disabled people, for anybody with any type of injury, weakness, you don't have your strength anymore. It actually helps you. It helps you to feel like you still could do other things. But I'll say everybody needs to get one of these. Everybody needs one. Everybody.